to another Trigger and Reels video. I was going to be showing you a good way to split some wood. It's Old Man Pine. Using a Fiskars X27 axe here. Very good axes. Right. What I do, I go like this. Pull my hand down to like this. And just like that. It's a very good way of doing it. And you get a lot of power out of doing it that way. Obviously, you should do it a bit faster, but it is very effective. The wood here isn't too hard to split. It does have a few knocks in it here and there, but they aren't too bad. The axe is incredibly good. Apparently the carbon fibre handle is stronger than steel, which is insane. And I don't think they're lying. This is by far the best splitting axe I have ever used. 10 out of 10.